Oh, I did load up these two shells. We're going to fire after a while when it cools down a little bit out there. I loaded this one up. This little bullet right here. It's a 50 grain bullet, and I loaded it up with a charge of IMR Trail Boss powder. This right here. I'm not going to tell you the charge weights, but I will tell you that. And I put a crimp on this one. I crimped this shell. We're going to test fire it. And then I loaded up another one with a lighter charge of Trail Boss. And I didn't crimp it. And we're gonna shoot that out of our bolt action Ruger, the one we did the video on the other day, our ranch rifle. So right now we're just gonna see which one we like the best after the test firing, and then we'll load these shells up. But anyway, we're gonna wait till it cools down because it's mighty hot out there right now. Hey y'all, we're going to shoot our test load bullets now. It's cooled down a little bit. This one here is the one that don't have the crimp on it. With the IMR Trail Boss powder. Turn you guys around and zoom in. We'll see if we can see where it hit. Focus. I was aiming dead center. Let me go down there and look. Alright guys, this is going to be the one with the crimp in it. Guys, I'm going to shoot one, just a regular 223, and let you see what the difference is in the volume of the round going off. Alright guys, fire in the hole. Alright guys, I just shot it into the dirt because we didn't have no target down there. I just wanted y'all to hear the difference in the bang bang. Alright y'all, we're back here. This is our first hole right here where I stuck this pine straw in there. That's our lighter charged, no crimp bullet. And this is our heavier. This was a second round right here. First round, second round. It had a little more drop on it, but it had just a little bit more powder in it, and it had a crimp, a pretty good crimp on it. So yeah, a guy could take some of those and load them up and just aim a little bit high, have him a good little plinking round. Well, that right there would have hit a tin can. Yeah. Yeah, you know a tin can's going to be bigger than that. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 6-inch diamond. So, you know that's going to be, yeah. Okay. Well, we know what we need to know now, so we're probably going to go with that lighter charge and no crimp, and just shoot these. We'll just shoot these out of the bolt action. I wouldn't try to shoot them out of that semi-automatic with no crimp on them. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one, guys. See you next time. Bye.